Welcome to the Hindu editorial dictation. Long haul ahead. Ready? Start. 100 word per minute. Start. Factory output continued to contract in July, albeit marginally slower than in June, reflecting the depressed economic conditions as the pandemic rages on. Quick estimates for the IIP show output across the three sectoral components of the index mining, manufacturing, and electricity all shrunk, dragging the overall index to a 10.4% year on year contraction. While this is slower than June's 15.8% shrinkage, a closer look reveals that the rebound in momentum witnessed in the fiscal first quarters last month when the company reopened and the contraction narrowed sharply from May 33.9% fall has dissipated appreciably. Full stop. The most telltale sign of this flattering is the more than halved pace of growth in the solitary use based industrial activity of the IIP's six product groups, in which output had turned positive in June. Growth in consumer non-durable, it includes essential household consumable, slide back to 6.7% from the preceding month's 14.3%, betraying the abiding weakness in private consumption spending. The other five groups posted double digit contraction, with consumer durable and capital goods shrinking 23.6% and 22.8% respectively. If the trend in durable attests to the RBI's evaluation last month that private consumption has lost its discretionary elements across the board, the capital goods data point to a dismal picture on the investment front, with demand starved companies operating their factories well below capacity. There is little indication that the protracted six-quarter slump in this key sector, which encompasses the plants and machinery that manufacturers order when expanding or starting new ventures, is anywhere close to reversing momentum. Electricity generation, however, provides some relief, with the contraction narrowing to 22.5% in July from June's 10%. A deeper look at the 23 subcategories of manufacturing shows that only tobacco products and pharmaceutical posted expansions in July, with the latter benefiting from the increased global demand for medicines, including generic drugs, in the wake of the pandemic. The manufacture of pharmaceutical, medical, chemical, and potential products climbed 22% in July, making it the solitary product to post an expansion of 1.8% over April July. Textiles and garment manufacturing, employment intensive segments, shrunk to 14.8% and 28.7% respectively. Full stop. To be sure, the IIP data come with a lag of 6 weeks, and a few more recent indicators give room for some guarded hope. For one, the latest IHS Market India Manufacturing PMI survey based outlook signals that the sector likely posted some expansion for the first time in 5 months in August, and automakers reported growth in shipments of passenger vehicles to dealers last month in anticipation of festive season demand. Full stop. Still, to help sustain any incipient revival, the center will need to enact demand supportive fiscal policies of or risk seeing the slowdown prolonged. Full stop. डिक्टेशन को आप लिखिए, लिखने के बाद इसको आप नोटपैड में टाइप कीजिए. ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच. और डिक्टेशन को लाइक कीजिए और